who else out there is actually teaching the recruiting presentations that really work and making them fun, okay? There's 3 ingredients for us to work together. Ingredient number 1 is you and I have to be a good fit. You have to get my jokes. So if you see the jokes I tell on YouTube and that's grossing you out, not a good fit, okay? But I'm pretty sure we'll be a good fit. Then you have to be saying, hey, it's a pretty good bet that I'm going to be better off with a Fearless Agent recruiting program for my company than without. Third, I have to know that I can help you. So how would I know that I can help you? Well, if you call me at 480-385-8810, I do not want you to text me. I do not want you to email me. I want you to call me, okay? And I will ask you some questions. We'll have a chat, and I'll be able to tell whether it would be a good fit or not and whether I can help you. If I can help you, you are going to get rich. And if I can't help you, I'll tell you that. And I have other ways I can help you without doing a recruiting training program for your company. But maybe I can do an event for your company, or maybe I can be your in-house training program at no cost to you. But anything I can do to ever help you, I'd be happy to do that. So always feel free to call me anytime, 480-385-8810. Oh, one more thing. Think of the one guaranteed result that you would want from our business relationship, and then give me a call. By the way, you can go to fearlessagent.tv and hit subscribe so you get all of our videos that you can use for your agents to help them out. You can go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com, where you already are, whether you know it or not. But always feel free to call me at 480-385-8810 because I want to make you a fearless recruiter. Thanks.